Hello. I have created a template for the journal cards, and so I'm going to do a refresher on how to add a pattern using PhotoPea.com. PhotoPea is a free online app. It is very similar to Photoshop, which I use, so I have to kind of do a refresher every time I hop on PhotoPea to make a tutorial. Let's see here. We're going to open up the template, just journal cards, template 3x4, which members in the commercial use group have access to. Gonna go ahead and open that. Over here, I've named the journal cards. Technically, they weren't in order when I saved it, which is just how I work. I really don't pay attention. I should, but if this bothers you and you need them in order, go ahead and do that. I want to start with journal card number 1, and I want the card, as you can see, this says title box, that says topper. The title box is this little box right here, and the topper is this. So what we're looking for is the actual journal cards. I even spelled that one wrong. Let's see, go ahead and click journal card number 1, and it's going to ask for a pattern. And if you haven't uploaded a pattern, we need to make a pattern. So I'm going to go ahead and click out of here. I'm going to open my folder. I have a little pattern here. And I'm going to need to change the color of this to match my clip art. And so I'm going to show you a cheat that I do. That way you can see exactly how I get my colors to match up. Shh, don't tell anybody. I'm going to go ahead and open up a clip art image that I plan to use. I'm going to go ahead and copy, and then I'm going to come back over to my pattern, and I'm just going to edit and paste. It should put it on a new layer. As you can see here, it put it up here on its own layer. So I can take my mouse and move that over a little bit. I want to highlight the background because this is what I want to change the hue, and that is HUE. I want to come up to image here on the top menu bar, select adjustments, scroll down to where it says hue and saturation, click that, and then up here on the hue, I want to take and slide, and you can choose any color you wish. I'm going for purple, so here we go. That looks pretty good. As you can see, works well with the purple in my little ghost. If you go to saturation, you go to the left, it kind of adds more of a gray scale to it. And if you go to the right, you're going to get a brighter, more vivid saturation. So I like to go to the left a little bit. You might want to go to the right. It's all about preference. And on the lightness, if you'd like it more of a pastel, and when you print, it'll get lighter and lighter. So you can just slide till you get where you want. Click OK. And then we want to come up and we want to hide our clip art. There you go. So what you see is what you're going to get. So when you come up here to edit, and then you select define new pattern, what you see on the screen is the pattern that you just added. So let's go back over to the template, and we want to go back to journal card number 1. We want to select the stroke, and then we want, instead of color, we want to select the drop down and choose pattern, and we want the purple one that we just made, and then we click OK. I want to go to number 2, and I'm going to do this all the way across. Click stroke. I want pattern, And it should remember the last pattern, so I don't have to go select the purple. And so we want to do this until all 6 cards because I want mine to be the same. Now, your choice when you do this on, oh, I just did 2 again. um, it's your choice on if you want to put different patterns on your journal cards. You can do different colors, different patterns, but for now, I'm using the same color. And let's see, I need 4. I need to select stroke, pattern. Okay. Go to card number 5, stroke. We want to go to pattern. Click OK. You should have the hang of it when you do 6 of these. Stroke. And try it again. Pattern. There we go. Okay. Now, you can use, scroll here, the title box on journal card number 1. If you do not want the title box, click the little eye and it puts it to sleep and it'll hide it. It's just that simple. There we go. Now, to color, you want to go down here to where it says EFF on the bottom bar. Click that and do color overlay. Now, you could do a pattern, but if you want to type text in there, you probably just want to stick with a color. And so this brings you into the purple. Now this, if you highlight over the color, will make it the color that your little plus sign there is over. As you can see here, I'll go right there and it makes it darker. And so if you want to change it, you can move this around anywhere in here and it's going to change the color. You can watch it up there and see that it has changed. Now, if you're going to use a white font on your white text, you want to be a little bit darker so that it shows real well when you print. So click OK. And then we want to come down to the other one, and that's card number 4, title box. Scroll down to where it says EFF, come up to color overlay. It should remember and give you the same color that you had in the previous. Now for the topper, I want 2, and then we want to go down here to where it says EFF, layer style. We want color overlay, and this one we're going to go lighter. So I'll come grab that lighter color right there, click OK, OK, and then we want to go to the card topper 5, scroll down to the layer style that says EFF, want color overlay. It'll remember the last one used, click OK, and you've done it. Now you're ready to bring in your clip arts. So we want to file open. I already uploaded some. And we want to come over here, edit, copy. I guess I already had him open. I can close those out since I don't need those. Now I would go up here to the very top and add an empty layer. That way your images are above your dotted lines. You don't want the images below, or you're going to have dotted lines on top of your image. So just add a new layer, which was me coming down and just clicking this right here, and it added another layer. So then we want to come up here to edit and paste. And then we can take, apparently it didn't work. Happens all the time. So let's try it again. Open. And then we want edit, copy. I think here on PhotoPea, you need to leave your image up for it to paste over. If you close out of it a lot of times, you're going to lose it. Now, oh boy, I don't remember how I get the sizing box. on this. Just one moment. Okay, I had to go relearn how to do this. In order to resize, you need to come up to Edit, and then you want to scroll down where it says Free Transform, and it's going to give you the little resizing box. In Photoshop, I don't do that. So I have to relearn things all the time when I'm making these tutorials for PhotoPea. So after you resize, you can drag him anywhere you want. You can put him up here at the top. You can go left. You can go right. If you just wanted to use the same image all the way across, you could go over here, right click, and then select duplicate layer. And then you would just grab him and pull him, and you could put him here. If you don't, you can hide it. But anyway, that's the gist of how to do it. Bring in your images by copy, paste, and then once again, I'm going to show you how to resize. Just in case you missed it, you go up to Edit. We want Free Transform. It adds the box, and then uh, you can drag it out to make it larger, or you can drag it in to make it smaller. And there we have it. Okay, I hope that helped you. If you have any questions, go ahead and contact me on Facebook. Thank you.